Manipulating someone's emotions isn't about deceitful control. It's about understanding how to influence their feelings and behaviors in a subtle yet powerful way. When done correctly, it can strengthen relationships, foster trust, and bring out positive outcomes. Here's how you can manipulate emotions without them even realizing it. Step 1. Use emotional anchors. In psychological terms, anchors are stimuli that evoke specific emotional responses. By associating yourself with positive emotional states, you can trigger those feelings in others whenever they think of you. For example, if you want to be associated with happiness or comfort, you can use certain gestures, words, or even scents that evoke these feelings. Over time, your presence will naturally trigger positive emotional responses in them. Step 2. The power of sympathy. People are naturally inclined to feel compassion for those who express vulnerability. When you strategically reveal minor struggles or challenges you're facing, without overdoing it, people will begin to feel sympathy towards you. This fosters an emotional bond and creates a sense of responsibility for your well-being. As a result, they may feel compelled to take actions that make them feel like they're helping or supporting you. Step 3. The principle of reciprocity. One of the strongest psychological principles is reciprocity. If you do something nice for someone, whether it's a small gesture or a heartfelt compliment, they will feel an unconscious urge to repay you in some way. By giving them emotional support, attention, or compliments, you manipulate their emotions into a sense of indebtedness. They'll feel compelled to reciprocate in the form of kindness, loyalty, or affection, which works in your favor. Through these subtle techniques, you can influence and manipulate someone's emotions in a way that feels natural and positive, without them even realizing it. Follow us for more helpful psychological tips